Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In the current situation, aren't we all tired of the unending household chores along with the work from home responsibilities? So today I wanted to share a relaxing facial routine with you that will leave you with glowing skin which you and your partner can enjoy together at home, no hassle of going to the parlor and will not cost you any money. Just some simple homely ingredients. But before that, don't forget to show some love and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button. So let's get started. So welcome to my bare naked face. First things first, let's cleanse our face. To make the cleanser, let's see how to do that. To make our cleanser, we will put 4 to 5 drops of bio oil. If you have any other essential oil that you want to put, you can use that, like lavender oil. And then I will move on to 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoon of honey. You can also use raw honey if you have access to it, or normal honey will absolutely do the job. And then coconut oil of around 2 to 3 tablespoons. So there goes my 1, 2 and then 3. And that's it. Our cleanser is ready. We will mix it thoroughly and keep it aside. So first things first, let's tie up our hair. Now the coconut oil in the cleanser that we prepared will not dry up your skin even after cleansing, and the honey will give you that much needed glow from within. The baking soda will help you deep cleanse your face. Any cleanser you should not do more than 60 seconds, that will leave your skin rough and dry. So with the help of a brush, we will put the cleanser on our face thoroughly. And with the help of a hand, we will then massage the cleanser thoroughly on our face. I wanted to mention that you don't have to go through this whole facial regime every time. You can also make these concoction individually and then use them in your daily routine as individual products. Now let's go wash our face. After washing our face, with the help of a damp towel, I will pat it dry. Don't be harsh at this stage. I will also dry my neck. And then move on to our next step. Step 2 is exfoliation. So let's go and first make the exfoliator. To make our face exfoliator, I have taken 2 tablespoons of oats, instant oats, and I have taken pulp of 1 small potato. So that's also around 2 tablespoons. I'll mix it properly and then keep it aside. And then this I will use as an exfoliator or as a face scrub and massage it for around 5 to 7 minutes. Exfoliating your skin will brighten your skin from within. It will remove all the dead skin cells from the surface, which will help in smoothing of your face. It will give you a supple skin and will not give you flaky skin. Potatoes has anti-aging properties. It will help you in brightening your skin and reduce the dark spots. I mean, we all know, right? बचपन से हमें बोला जाता था अगर sun tan हो गया तो potato घिस लो मुंह में. Now ideally you can exfoliate for 2 to 3 times a week, but if that doesn't happen, then exfoliating your face for at least once a week is definitely beneficial for your skin. It will help you rebuild those new skin. Don't forget your neck, lips and forehead while exfoliation of your skin. This step is a little messy, but go for it, guys. After exfoliation, wash your face thoroughly and with the help of a damp towel, pat your skin dry. After this, moving on to our third step, which is taking steam. You can take up to 2 to 3 minutes of steam. I have taken steam for around 3 minutes. You can go maximum up to 5 minutes. After this, you need to pat your skin dry with the help of a dry facial towel this time. Next comes the extraction of your pimples. I don't really try and do that by myself at home, but it's completely up to you. So next step is our fourth stage, which is basically massage pack. Let's see how to make the massage pack first. To make our massage pack, I have mashed half of a banana. My banana was big. If you're using those small bananas, you can use 1 small banana. to which I have put 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of olive oil, and then to this I will put around 1 teaspoon of honey. Again, you can use raw honey if you have, but I just have normal honey, so go for normal honey. We will mix it properly, and then this is the face pack we will use for massage for around 5 to 10 minutes on our face. Olive oil has antioxidants, moisturizing for your skin and great for those after sun treatments. Banana helps in hydration and moisturizes your skin, hence leaves your skin soft and supple. And honey has natural humectant, hence keeps your skin moist from within but not oily. Basically, humectants takes moisture from your skin without replacing them. With the help of a brush, I will put this pack on my face, and if you know those parlor moves, go ahead and massage your face for at least 10 minutes with the help of your hand. This step is pretty messy guys, but then trust me, it's totally worth it. So go ahead, don't forget to massage your neck, your ears, your face for at least 7 to 10 minutes and you will have amazing results. Moving on to our final step, which is putting on that face pack. Let's first see how to make that face pack. For our final face mask, I have taken 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, well and good. Otherwise, just go for any store-bought aloe vera gel. There are plenty available in the market. Just make sure you are buying pure aloe vera gel, or even juice would do the job. To this I will put around 1 tablespoon of dahi and 1 tablespoon of honey, and that's it. Our final face mask is ready. We will mix it and then put it on our face. Aloe vera has cooling properties, anti-inflammatory, natural remedy for sunburn and retains skin's moisture. Dahi helps your skin glow and nourish from within, full of good bacteria and reduces acne and great for dry skin. I have kept this pack for 10 minutes. Now I will go and wash this pack and come back. Now I have washed my face thoroughly after putting that pack and I feel extremely refreshed. To tone my face, I will go for as basic as using 2 cucumber or kheera slices and then rub them thoroughly on my face, forehead, under eye and of course my neck. After toning your face, go ahead and moisturize your face with your favorite moisturizer. Mine is Cetaphil. I have mentioned about it in my daycare and night care regime. I will put a link in the description box below for you to go ahead and watch them as well. Next step is using your holy grail for the summer, which is using an SPF. So don't forget your sunscreen after this whole process. And last but not the least is using a great lip balm. This is it guys, our quick and easy home facial routine is done with some very simple ingredients available at home with no hassle going to the parlor. You can enjoy this by yourself or with your partner. Hope you have liked this video. If you have, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this. See you soon for my next video. Bye bye.